Good morning, Nightingales! Nandito kami ngayon sa The Breakers here in Rhode Island. Kasama natin ng mga Team Lafangers. May bago kaming recruit. Friend na si Grishel from the UK. Briton. Hi, Bev! GT, si Tito GT ng ating ano. Si Tito GT ng panlaban sa face card. Oh! JB! Si Anton. Anton! Oh, Diyos naman.
Wow, Chris, smile. Ganda. Thank you. Ayun na.
Hindi pa kami nakakapasok, guys. 1 p.m. Woohoo! It's already 12:58. Nagpipicture pa. Hello.
Aaten pala tayo ng bulwagan.
May congress po. Meeting di avance. Ay, ang ganda pala dito. Amazing. Ay, wow. Ay, ang ganda naman. Staircase fountain. Ay, pagawa natin to kay Mamu, Chard. And meron siyang self-guided tour throughout the house. Wow. This is the morning room. Ganda naman. Hello, Cornelius. This is Mr. Vanderbilt's room. The portrait over the bed is of Alice Vanderbilt, the eldest child of Mr. and Mrs. Vanderbilt. She died of scarlet fever at the age of 5. 1874. This is Gertrude Vanderbilt's room. Wow. This is the kitchen. Warming box used to keep horses warm until they were ready to be served. Meron din silang cafe. Welcome Center Cafe. How much? Okay. Oh, we can get the gold daw. So we'll get the breakers. Magkano to? $8.95. The breakers. Yay! Dito na kami sa labas. Nag-CR pa sila, guys. So, grabe. Sobrang perfect. Partida, it's 2 p.m. na. Oh my God, 2 p.m. na. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Pero hindi ganun kainit. It's 76 degrees. So, buti na lang talaga. Grabe, ganda, guys. Ang ganda naman. So pretty.
guys.
Ay, under construction.
Nick, one more.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Bro, that was low.
Welcome to our crib! Sobrang arte. Gandara Park.
Na-all may mansion.
Ang sarap naman ng hangin. Ganda, oh. Dito muna kami sa cafe because it's so hot. Dito na muna kami. Ay, ang cute naman. So nice. Alright, Dave, what do you... Kain muna kami, guys. Kasi pagod na.
Sarap.
Anong time check na? Anong oras na, Z?
Time check. 2:46.
2:46 na!
Oh, that's I think.
Baka mawala asawa mo.
Oo nga. Hello, Mr. Vanderbilt.
Hello, Mr. B.
Hello, Gary Beecher. Halika na.
Ah, dito pala yun. Dito tayo galing. Ah, kasi Trevor ba na?
Oh, yung ganda, oh.
Ganda. Ayan, dyan yung labo.
Ganda. Wow, amazing. Punta kami ngayon dito sa waterfront. Ang ganda.
We're here at the boathouse.
Biglang may accent.
So, we're gonna know if they need a reservation because they don't have a reservation, guys.
Wow, ang mga bagets. Chilling in Rhode Island. Ay, ang ganda. Village waterfront. So, hindi kami kakain kasi wala kaming reservation at super daming tao. But, wow. Hi, babe. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, ayan, magsiselfie lang kami, guys. Ah!
Smile bago mag-order.
Hi, Nightingales!
Subscribe to her channel.
Sarap naman ng cookie ni Tita Grachel.
Guys, it's so masarap. Tita Gracio.
Turn left, then the destination is on your right.
Wow, so pretty. Kaso ang daming tao, guys.
Maganda pala dito.
1925. Sunod eh, no?
Ang ganda naman.
Ayun si ano, chicken.
Ayun nga, nakapark na sila.
All the way here talaga.
Di ba, lilakad na lang.
Lakad na lang.
Shore house.
Nightingales, nandito na kami sa Narragansett. Grabe ang ganda, guys. Tingnan nyo, ah. O, diba? Ang lakas makamayaman din, sis.
Sabi ni Ryan, may extend ako sa akin.
Wow. Illusion. Ganda naman dito, baby, no? Bahay ba to? Yes, dyan daw kami kakain.
Dito ba tayo? 40 Ocean eh.
Yep. Dyan yata. 40 Ocean. Dito kami kakain. Oh, so siya the wave.
Siya the wave.
Oh my gosh. Ganda, babe. OMG. Dito kami sa Coast Guard House, guys. Dine-in menu.
Oh, definitely.
Magkano ba dito? Forget about me sangria. Cheers! Woohoo! Ayan, meron tayong calamari for appetizer. Hi, baby! Ayan, plate sila ni JB. And Anton.
Feeling ko kay Grayson.
Meron kaming quinoa salad, truffle fries,
And yung ano,
and my ribeye. Guys, kain na na! Woohoo!
PG.
Kain muna! PG time! Kain na na!
Yeah.
Nag-fire pit na sila kasi lumalamig na, guys, kasi by the ocean kami. Ay, ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng ambience.
So walking.
Time check, 7:49 p.m.
Sobrang min.
Where are we going?
Taylor Swift's house.
Hey, wait, what?
Yeah.
Taylor Swift is gonna be performing there live?
Texas?
Oh yeah.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Wow.
Oh no.
You know why?
Katakot.
Grabe ang ganda, sis. Ganda picture na rin.
Diba? Morning. Tita Gracia. Wala ka matang wapo. Sis, ikaw daw mag-opening.
Hi guys! Good morning! Arte.
Dito kami sa Connecticut.
Yeah, we're here in Connecticut. Welcome to Connecticut!
Hi, bitch.
Guys, hi bitch.
Mawala ka na subscriber.
Nadami na rin subscribers ni ano.
Ayan, may ano ba yan sasabihin ko, sis, may napkin. Sabi ko ay, ang cute, matcha. So, ayan.
Yeah, nasa akin.
Ayan, meron kami, nag-order kaming Dunkin' muna before going to Yale University.
Yes, it's matcha latte and iced latte. Or the... May accent.
Unsubscribe.
Unsubscribe now.
Welcome to the city of New Haven.
So yan na.
Ay, ang ganda. Dito na kami sa Yale.
Dito doon.
Amazing. Oh, this is the Yale University Art Gallery.
The destination is on your right. Yale University Art Gallery.
Oh, there you go. Nakahanap tayong parking. Parking! And chows. Time check, it's 11:16. Iniintay namin sina Sis Bern dito sa Starbucks kasi pupunta kami sa Yale Art Gallery, which is kaka-open lang around 11 in the morning. And then we'll probably go to the Peabody Museum. So if you want to see Yale University, just stay tuned. Lakad kami to Bonchon at na-miss ko na ang Bonchon. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain, guys. Ay, ganda. Ganda din, ano?
Yes, maganda. Beautiful.
Ganda naman. Sarap maglakad-lakad. Hala, sige. Daming kainan. Yan na, Bonchon! Yes! Tapos may milk tea dito. Bonchon! Let's go! Bonchon nila, parang may bar pa. Oh. Ang sarap ng bonchon. May takoyaki pa, guys.
Pwede.
Yan, order tayo nitong large.
Oh, yeah.
Order na tayo. Kakain na. Uy, ang sarap naman. Bulgogi and takoyaki and ano yan, sis? Spicy Korean.
Tacos.
Ooh.
Spicy chicken.
Diba? Hello, kain na! Dito na ulit kami sa car, guys. Bale, punta kaming Peabody Museum. It would like 8 minutes drive from here. Let's go! Hi, baby! Peabody Parking Museum.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm the dinosaur. Oh, look. I'm two-legged. This so
Against the light, sis. Dito ka.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Ooh, what's that, babe?
This one is a mastodon tooth.
How about the other one?
This one is a mammoth tooth.
Oh.
Like, this just looks like a big rock. It's like actual teeth. That's creepy.
Pwede. That is a big one. Oh, baby, look at that.
Is this physics? But this way, so here.
Mm-hmm.
And this one looks like a peacock, maybe. This way looks like an elephant.
What's this, babe? My current age is 9. Hi. Sige, anak ko, lagay mo anywhere. Just hang it anywhere. Good job. Alright, come on. Ayan! Ay, may butterfly! Oh, wow! Come on, lapitan. Eastern indigo snake. Yikes. Oh, babe, look at the bear. Ooh. That's... Yan ang favorite ko, rose quartz love.